Greetings from the best. Bob Boldt HVAC is a premier HVAC contractor serving South Street Paul, MN. Dedicated to providing top-notch heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions. Located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South, Suite 102 in Burnsville, MN. The company specializes in installation, repair, and maintenance services tailored to meet the unique needs of residential and commercial clients. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Bob Boldt HVAC ensures that every project is executed with expertise, delivering ultimate comfort and efficiency for your indoor environments. What services do HVAC contractors in South Street Paul offer? We offers a comprehensive range of services to ensure optimal indoor comfort. Our offerings include installation, repair, and maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance? We recommend scheduling HVAC maintenance at least once a year to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Ideally, plan for maintenance before the heating season in the fall and before the cooling season in the spring. What signs indicate my HVAC system needs repair? We advise homeowners to watch for several key signs that indicate their HVAC system may need repair. Unusual noises, such as banging or hissing, can signal mechanical issues. What are the areas near that Bob Boldt HVAC provides services? Our Bob Boldt HVAC serve the following locations: Burnsville, MN, Apple Valley, MN, Eagan, MN, Farmington, MN, Inver Grove Heights, MN, Lakeville, MN, Mendota Heights, MN, Prior Lake, MN, Rosemount, MN, St. Paul, MN, Savage, MN, South St. Paul, MN, West St. Paul, MN, Hopkins, MN, Eden Prairie, MN, Shakopee, MN, Edina, MN, Richfield, MN. Where is the Bob Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 16,513,003,050. Visit our website, https://bobbots.com/Burnsville HVAC/